Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the Max Man Style YouTube channel. If you want a more visible Adam's apple like this, keep watching. In today's video I'll show you two simple exercises that may help make your Adam's apple more visible naturally. So let's start with the first exercise. So guys, those are the two simple exercises that help make my Adam's apple more visible. Try doing each exercise for 60 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds before moving on to the next one. Complete 3 sets of each exercise every day. If you stay consistent, you may start noticing results in about 2 weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.